In a bustling town nestled between majestic mountains and a vast azure sea, lived a young girl named May. With her wild crimson hair and curious blue eyes, she was no ordinary girl, but a spirited adventurer with a heart full of dreams. And alongside her, always perched on her shoulder, was her best friend and talking cat, Zephyr. One sunny morning, May and Zephyr stumbled upon an old, dusty book in the back corner of a tiny, forgotten bookstore. The book glowed with a soft, golden light, and its pages whispered mysteries of the world. "Look, Zephyr, it's a magical artifact," May exclaimed, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Zephyr, ever the cautious kitty, twitched his whiskers thoughtfully. "It looks intriguing, but also dangerous. We must be cautious, May." Unfazed by the warning, May opened the book. To their astonishment, the pages crafted a shimmering portal right before their eyes. Without a second thought, May stepped through, Zephyr hopping quickly behind her, for he couldn't bear to leave her alone. On the other side, they found themselves in a vibrant realm filled with floating islands, enchanted forests, and mystical creatures that roamed freely. The skies were filled with streaks of pastel colors, while the rivers flowed with crystalline water that sparkled with magic. They encountered a giant talking tree named Elder Oak, who revealed that the book was a beacon calling adventurers to help save their land from a looming darkness. "A malevolent sorcerer seeks to drain our realm of its magic. Only the brave of heart, like you, can stop him," rumbled Elder Oak. May's heart raced. With her trusty companion Zephyr by her side, they forged alliances with beings of all shapes and sizes. From dazzling fairies to stoic stone giants, they ventured through daunting dungeons and breathtaking landscapes. With each trial, May and Zephyr's courage and companionship grew stronger. Their journey was filled with laughter, danger, and the joy of newfound friendships. In the end, it was their unwavering spirit and love for adventure that led them to triumph over the dark sorcerer, restoring peace and balance to the magical land. As they returned to their world, the magical realm's vibrant beauty lingered in their souls. They promised to return whenever their hearts yearned for marvel and enchantment. The old book, now resting softly on a shelf, awaited the next dreamer ready to embark on an extraordinary journey.